How to deposit money in MetaTrader. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be talking about how to deposit money in MetaTrader application. So first thing what you need to understand is that whenever you try to deposit money in MetaTrader, you will not have to directly, or you cannot directly deposit it on MetaTrader application itself. So instead you have to come over to the any broker that's compatible with that MetaTrader application, and once you deposit your money on that broker, then via that broker you should be successfully able to enter the registered email address of your MetaTrader account, provide the login credentials as well after you provide it, and you should be successfully able to deposit that particular money on MetaTrader finally. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.